What's up guys, George is here and welcome to a new video on this channel. And today we have the 2016 Toyota Sienna and we're doing the 15,000 miles review on it. So in general we are really happy with the van. Nothing's wrong with it, everything works just like new and it's nice and clean. But the only problem we had with the van is that we just got a flat tire. See, the van has only around 17,000 miles on it. When we got it, it had 1,500 miles. Okay, so we contacted the company and they said that these vehicles have a 30,000 miles 30,000 miles tires, and they said these tires are recommended to be replaced every 30,000 miles because they're soft, they're flexible for more comfortable suspension. But they also said that because I did not send the van to get the tires rotated, they were heavily worn out prematurely. So I said, okay, I should have a 5 years a warranty on the whole vehicle. They said the tires are not included, so I would have to replace the tires by myself, like pay for them, and it is $232 each installed, so it comes up to be around $465. So after having the van for 18 months, I will have to pay around $465 to get the front 2 tires replaced. Yeah, so otherwise the van works really good. We love the van, it's amazing, everything is just like new. Let me now show you the tires in the back, how they look. Alright, so this is the flat tire that we got yesterday. See how the tire is heavily worn out from this side at 16,000 miles. So, and this is the one that is on the car. Same thing is happening. At 16,000 miles of driving, the tires gets worn out like this. They said it's a heavy vehicle, so. But otherwise, there's no problem with the van. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know that you've been here. Give me a like, leave me a comment. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.